Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the first-time homebuyer tax credit that's out there. A lot of you out there are interested in this credit because it is such a great credit for first-time homebuyers. So I'm going to go through the credit with you guys, show you how it works and how to qualify for it. So let me get the video started. So purchasing your first home can allow for a huge tax credit this year. And actually, a new change just came where even if you're not a first-time home buyer, you're going to get a big credit for buying a home. So there's just constant changes going on here. And if you're looking to buy a home, now is the time with these big tax breaks and tax credits. Make sure on your tax return that you're itemizing your deductions in order to get this credit, because you're going to report this credit with your taxes. So you need to be itemizing. The credit is currently at $8,000 for first-time home buyers, and like I said, they just added it. Even if you're not a first-time home buyer, you're going to qualify for a credit. You can put, if you want to see what this credit is going to be, you can put it in our online tax estimator at our website at HarborFinancialOnline.com. You can put in the credit and see how much it's going to help you out. Credits are different than deductions. It's not a deduction is a percentage less tax. This is $8,000 of tax you don't have to pay. So say your tax bill is $8,000, with this credit you owe no tax. With the deduction it would just be a percentage of that. So that's why this is such a good credit. You'll be able to, in addition to having this big initial credit, by having a home, you can deduct mortgage interest from your loan from the lender. You get a full deduction of that. And that's going to come from Form 1098, and it's going to come from the lender and sent to you, the total of interest you paid on that loan. And you'll get a full deduction on that interest. Any other loans you take against your home, like lines of credit, home equity loans, all that loan interest is deductible as well, okay? There's no limit on the mortgage interest unless your mortgage is above $1 million. Then there's some changes to it. So most of you won't be in that bracket, so I wouldn't worry about it. This mortgage interest and the taxes is reported on Schedule A. But what I want to do is I want to take you to the form for the first-time homebuyers credit, because this is the form that has to be completed in order to get the credit. When you do the return online, where you can do it through our site, it's going to automatically produce this form and fill it out for you. You just have to answer some questions. So I'm going to show this to you real quick. Here's our website, HarborFinancialOnline.com. You can prepare the return here, do an online estimation of what your taxes might be. Here's the form. 5405 is the first-time homebuyer credit. And you can see here the different boxes. You have to fill out the address of the home. There's your credit, $8,000. There's some phase-out rules based on your income levels. So some of you might not qualify for it, but the majority of you will. $150,000 if you're married jointly. If you make above that, you're going to be phased out of the credit. If you're single, you have a max of $75,000 a person. So, I mean, this credit is pretty simple here. They make it nice and easy to qualify for it. And again, if you do the return online, it's automatically going to fill up this box for you, okay? And allow you to get the credit easily and quickly with no problems. So again, check out our website, HarborFinancialOnline.com. It's a great tool to learning about these credits and some other deductions out there. And the mortgage interest and taxes will be reported on Schedule A, which is part of your 1040 return. Now, by owning a home, make sure you don't do the standard deduction. You may have done that last year if you didn't own a home. Now that you own a home, you're itemizing deductions at Schedule A. So take a look at that when you have some time. And some of my videos will cover Schedule A deductions as well, itemizing. I recommend preparing the return online. It's going to catch any errors that you have. in filing your return. So it's just a way to quickly file the return without having any mistakes. If you have any questions regarding the first-time home buyer credit, send me an email, expert@harborfinancialonline.com. I'll help you any way I can. Thanks for watching the videos, and check out our website, and hopefully you'll check out some of my future videos. Thanks.